Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Unbox Tech, where we dive into the latest tech, gadget, and all things cool. So today we are unboxing and taking a closer look to one of the most talked about devices of this year, the iPhone 15 in its stunning pink color. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you'll never miss an update. Wow, this is beautiful. This pink, let's go to see some cable that we got inside of the box. Now this year it comes with the USB-C. And we also got some stickers, the famous Apple logo. Yep, we got them, and no charger in the box. Let's put the box aside. Wow, that was satisfying. Guys, it's made from the new glass design, which give a shiny premium finish. But now it's a little bit different because it looks like matte. It's gorgeous. Look it. I got two cameras, so they are gonna be presented now. Yep, this is beautiful. Let's get one. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and like. Today we are going to unbox the iPhone 15 Pro Max in blue titanium. This is slick. Let's go to open it. They're pretty eco-friendly. Yep, because there is no more plastic. Let's do it. Ooh, that was satisfying. Yep, let's do the other. Ooh, yeah, only paper. Let's discover. Wow, this is beautiful. I like it. Yeah, it's completely matte now. Let's put it together. USB-C to USB-C finally. Yep. And we also have some stickers and also, yeah, the injector tools. And nothing else, some little paperwork. Let's put it back so we can continue exploring the beautiful iPhone 15 Pro Max in titanium blue. Yep, 3 cameras. Wow, that was satisfying. I pretty like it. Let's put this inside. Yeah, turn it on for the first time. Yep, this was the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Please like and subscribe if you're first here. So today we are going to compare these two magnificent iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's see them together, yeah, side by side. Let's go to see the size, the blue and the pink. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, there are 2 cameras in the 15 and 3 cameras in the 15 Pro Max. Yeah, let's see the size. Yeah, the big boy and the little boy. It's pretty nice. Look at this. Yeah, it's one hand. This big boy, I think you will need 2 hands. Yeah, it's pretty big for a man. Yeah, let's see, 6.1 and 6.8. Let's see, size-wise. Yeah, flat screens, screen to screen, pretty nice. Yeah, so you can make your choice. Tell me in the comment which one you would like. Do not forget to subscribe. Goodbye. This was Unbox Channel.